for quite some time now, and ever since I actually got accepted into my PhD program here at the UMass College of Education in the Social Justice Ed program, one of my ideas was I wanted to utilize my research and utilize the things that I am talking about, reading about, and creating scholarly research on within the field of arts and education and activism. Is I wanted to create this conference as a resource, as a think tank, as an experience for people. I wanted to celebrate and center Black voices, right? It is Black History Month, and this is the Black Artistic Freedom Conference, right? And so I wanted to think about, like, how are we doing our jobs to center Black life and cultivate Black voices on this campus, right? And how are we inviting the community members into that?